Good morning, Stephanie. Good morning.
Good morning.
We have made it. This is the view. Whoa. Okay, I'm ready. I'm good. I'm fine. I'm fine. We're good. Perfect. Good morning. We just finished a wonderful mosque tour, which you can see right now. Now currently we are in a bike. Yeah, that's the best way to describe it. Literally trying to, as you can see, make our way through the city with the most wonderful, probably the strongest man on earth. Well, that was a wonderful ride, and now we are walking through the park where Mahatma Gandhi was cremated, and it's this huge, beautiful park away from New Delhi, so it's so green as you can see here, and green as you can see there. There's a lot of stuff going on. Side note, the weather, pretty nice.
Yeah, it's better than I expected. I wouldn't call it nice.
Weather? Okay.
It's like DC summer right now.
No, this is much, much, much cooler than DC summer. You are being dramatic.
So just to keep the pollution of the city under control. Also.
Very nice. So you can see that way. You know, city stuff. If you look behind us, people are watching us do stuff. It's a big crowd. Ready? Watch this. Taking our tour today. Lovely.
Wow. Here we are. Look at the gate of the President House.
Wow.
Far away, that's the India gate, you can see.
Wow. So behind us here is the President's Palace. Wonderful gates resembling the same as Buckingham Palace, as we are told. It is beautiful. And then doing a full rotation this way, rotate, 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 rotate. There's the gate from earlier. Right there. Amazing. So behind me here is the first mosque ever in India. I bet you it's amazing inside, so we should probably go in. But first, Steph's taking a picture of that dog. And look at those. Beautiful. But then, right behind us, this tower, the largest brick structure in the entire world. I mean, this thing is over 800 years old. It's hard to even fathom. And the best part is, this one was built and stayed built and done, keep going building. But someone tried to make one over on that side who was supposed to be double the size, and by the time he died, no one wanted to continue that. So there's a pile of rubble over there called the Womp Womp pile. we are at the other tower. They tried their best to make it to the top and up.
You didn't get too far.
Womp 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 womp. So we had a really wonderful night. Got to have a little dinner here, relax. We had to nap really badly because we realized we only got like 3 or 4 hours of sleep and then went on a big tour. India is an amazing place so far as I can tell on the first day. The one thing that I do want to talk about is the idea of tipping and the idea of asking for things. I think it's a cultural shift, and it's really important for us as travelers not to get bogged down or compare to what you're used to because things are different. But the hard part about tipping is that it creates this like expectation of like you don't know who wants to help and who wants money, and then you feel like a bad guy when people you don't give people money, and frankly sometimes you don't want to give them money or you don't know why you're supposed to give them money. When we were at one of the temples, a security guard was like, here are some photo tips, and like that's great, and he was wearing a security guard uniform. At the end he was like, do you want to give me a tip? And we're like, I don't understand this situation at all. It's lived up to all the hype. India is just intense. It's got a lot going on, and today was whirlwindy, nappy, wake up, trying to find this, trying to find that, but I think it's gonna be really awesome to see some of these sites that are coming up, so we're really excited to feature these sites. Tomorrow we're driving toward the Taj Mahal, but not seeing the Taj Mahal. So I have no idea what this video is gonna be like. Also, the internet is terrible at this hotel, so I can't upload anything anyway, so who cares? India is awesome though. Staff comments?
India is fascinating. This hotel kind of sucks.
Fascinating. This hotel.